Operating the power rear liftgate is easily done on Subaru models, using either the buttons in the cabin and inside the liftgate, or remotely with the key fob. On equipped 2020 model year and newer Outbacks, you also have the option of using the hands-free sensor. When your hands are full, just hold your elbow close to the Subaru badge until you hear a beep, and then step back while it conveniently opens. For security, the sensor will only operate if the key is very close, like in your pocket or bag. This feature can be disabled by pressing the off button, located to the lower left of the steering wheel, which may be useful in preventing unwanted sensor operation in certain scenarios. The button will remain slightly depressed while in the off position and can be released by pressing it again, turning the feature back on.